Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Satrio. You can call me Tio. I am from Enrekang. I live in Daya. My major is technical level 1 and my friend introduce his name.
Introduce myself. My full name is Juandi. You can call me Wandi. I live in Pacerakan Street. I'm from Pingrang. My major is technical level 1.
Hi Randy.
Hi Tio.
My iPhone will your back.
Why no? It is.
Thank you a million.
That's alright.
A few moments later.
Thank you your bag. Your bag is very nice.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Hi Tio.
Hi Randy.
May I borrow your phone for a minute, please?
Why not? This is his phone.
Thank you very much.
That's alright.
A few moments later.
Thank you. Your camera is the best.
Really?
Yes.